In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and create Slack canvases. Slack canvases are shared spaces where you can capture notes, plans, and resources right alongside your conversations. They're great for meeting agendas, onboarding checklists, or team documentation because everything lives where your team already works. I'll walk you through how to find canvases on both desktop and mobile, how to spot canvases linked to a channel, and how to create a brand new one when you need a fresh space. Let's start on desktop. Look over to your Slack sidebar and click the Files tab. This is your hub for documents, uploads, and importantly, canvases. Once you're in Files, select Canvases. You'll see a list of canvases available to you, which may include ones you've created, canvases your teammates have shared, and canvases connected to specific projects. If your workspace is busy, give the list a second to load and remember that visibility can depend on your permissions and the channels you're part of. On mobile, the path is similar but streamlined. Tap the More tab in the bottom navigation. From there, choose Canvases. You'll land on a view tailored for smaller screens, so it's easy to browse while you're on the go. This is ideal for quickly reviewing a meeting agenda or checking notes right before a call. Now, what about canvases tied to a specific channel? Many teams link a canvas directly to a channel, so the latest plans or resources are always right there. Open the channel and you'll find any linked canvas available alongside the channel's content. This makes it simple to keep context and documentation side by side, so you're not jumping between tools or losing track of updates. If you need to start fresh, creating a new canvas is quick. Click the plus icon in Slack and select Canvas. A blank canvas opens immediately, ready for your content. From here, you can start outlining ideas, drafting a plan, or compiling resources. Keep your title clear and the content organized so teammates can quickly understand what the canvas is for. Because canvases are collaborative by design, teammates can view and contribute based on the sharing settings in your workspace. A couple of final tips. If you don't see the Files tab, the More tab, or the Canvas option, your workspace layout or permissions may be different, so check with your admin or try maximizing your Slack window. And if you're working across desktop and mobile, your canvases stay in sync so you can start on one device and pick up right where you left off on another. That's it. Now you know how to find canvases, access channel-linked canvases, and create a new one when inspiration strikes.